Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use filters on OmeTV. First, open your browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. Search for AI webcam effects. When you see the extension, click on it and add it to Chrome. Once it's installed, it will take you to their website. From there, sign in using your Google account. You will be asked a few questions. Just answer them and make sure to allow camera access so the extension can work properly. After everything is set up, close all the tabs and open the OmeTV website. When the page finishes loading, click on the extension icon in your browser and turn it on. Now you can customize your webcam effect with different filters using the extension. Once you have added the filters you like, just click start and enjoy. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.